Have you ever wondered what your body is trying to tell you when you're not even listening? The future of personal health is here, and it fits right on your finger. Welcome back to Global JDV News, where we bring you the latest in tech that's changing our lives. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking new updates from Oura, the company behind the revolutionary smart ring. For years, wearables have tracked our steps and our sleep, but now, Oura is taking a giant leap forward. They've just unveiled a completely redesigned app and game-changing features, cumulative stress tracking and a revolutionary new way to estimate blood pressure. This isn't just another gadget, it's a potential paradigm shift in how we manage our health. Forget strapping on a clunky cuff every day. Oura's new feature, currently in its research phase, estimates your blood pressure trends over time, simply by wearing the ring. So, how does it work? By analyzing the pulse wave from the arteries in your finger, the Oura ring can calculate your heart's travel time for blood. A recent study with over 1,000 participants at the University of California, San Francisco showed promising results, linking this data to blood pressure estimations. While Oura is quick to point out this isn't a medical diagnostic tool yet, they are in active discussions with the FDA. This move puts them in direct competition with giants like Apple and Samsung. You're also racing to crack the code on cuffless blood pressure monitoring, but that's not all. The redesigned Oura app now includes a cumulative stress feature. This isn't just about capturing a single stressful moment. Instead, it analyzes your biometrics throughout the day, like your heart rate variability, and body temperature to show you the accumulated effect of both physical and mental strain. It visualizes this stress load on a simple graph, helping you understand when your body has been under pressure and when it has had a chance to recover. This allows you to connect the dots between a demanding workday, a tough workout, or even a poor night's sleep and its real, physiological impact. Imagine being able to see that your stress levels are climbing and then consciously decide to take a 10-minute walk or do a quick breathing exercise to bring them back down. Oura's goal is to empower you with this information, helping you build resilience and find a better balance between strain and recovery. It's about making small, informed adjustments to your daily routine that can lead to significant long-term health benefits, potentially reducing your risk for chronic conditions linked to high stress and hypertension. This update transforms the Oura ring from a passive tracker into an active health companion. It's providing a more holistic view of your well-being, connecting sleep, activity, stress, and now even blood pressure trends. The question is no longer just how did I sleep, but how are my daily choices affecting my overall health? This is a massive step towards personalized, proactive healthcare right at your fingertips. What do you think about these new features? Could this change how you manage your health? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Global JDV News. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the tech that's shaping our future. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.